Alright, we're gonna go for a little drive here. We're gonna go to the train tracks where some graffiti is. Man, it's a nice day outside today. Okay. We're gonna hop in on blue here and head towards the train track. Alrighty, we're here. I'm not gonna bore you with the hike and stuff. It's gonna probably take me about 10 minutes to get there. So when I get really close, then I'm gonna pop the camera back out and videotape the train tracks and the graffiti and stuff. But I'm here and off I go. Alright, we're here. Oh, by the way, I'm using an old school Sony MiniDV camera. It records on MiniDV tapes. I'm here. Let me flip this around here. Here we go. This is the bridge, Track Bridge, train bridge. Pretty awesome day, beautiful day. It's about 98 degrees out. This thing is awesome. I love graffiti. I mean, some of the talent and stuff is just, it's unbelievable. Of course, this is an old train bridge. Of course, it's not used anymore. Pretty obvious. There. Oh, a little bit in the shadows right there. It's pretty awesome that it's even still standing. Okay, we're gonna hike up this little trail here. Kind of get a perspective of what it looks like from up above. Beautiful out. It's hot. I don't see any snakes. I think it's too hot for snakes right now. But yeah, it's pretty obvious. It's just the track is not in service anymore. But that's what we got. That's what we're looking at from the top here. And it goes that way. I'm not sure how far it goes. But I know in this direction it goes all the way to Exchange Parkway, I believe. You can see vehicles in the distance there. You see vehicles in the distance there through the trees. And I believe it goes, the tracks don't go, but if you cross the street on the other side, then the tracks continue. It's pretty wild. Okay, we come down for that trail. Cross it back over to this side. Pretty awesome. Not sure what the stone and stuff was for. there's like extra support or what, I'm not really sure. You see a little creek over here. I can go over here without falling on my head. See the see the wall over there. It's giving it structural support. And then there's a creek. Doesn't appear to be too deep, but it goes down there. Right down there is the waterfall. And we got another concrete wall over here. I don't know what bridge or what's supposed to be over here at one time. And then we got that right there. Got a sign here. 1910 Railroad Bridge. Pretty awesome, but it's still standing. So we got something over here. All right, I'm gonna get in the shade over here. Be careful, don't overheat my camera. It's like 98 degrees out. But oh, they can't see me. Oh, there we go, that works. Well, I'm gonna put the camera away and go hike over there where the waterfall is, and take video of that waterfall and see what else we can find. All right, so we're back here at the waterfall. It's a bit hot out. I'm trying to be careful that the camera doesn't get too hot or the tape starts melting because it's 98 degrees out. So let me flip this around so you can see. If you go that direction, that's where the railroad tracks are, the bridge. Do not know what those things are. If anybody knows, please comment. Because I'm not sure what they are. And they're like some kind of seed pod or something. It looks kind of like an apple, but waterfall. See, it trickles down. Couple more step downs. So let's trip and fall. There's another step down, and then another step down, and then it goes that way. And there's the bike bridge, footbridge. People are putting the locks here. Like something they do in Europe, I think. I see something like that. About them doing that in Europe. Alright, so we're heading to the next location. We're gonna go where the train is, just like a couple miles away from here, on Main Street in Allen. Get a few video shots of the train and the area, a little bit more history. And yes, it is, the car has, I don't know if you can see that.